Impressive there. All right, let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins right now. Bobby, we got kind of a slow start today. I didn't know if that sun was ever going to come out.
we call those mackerel skies because the way those clouds are shaped, they look like scales on a mackerel almost. And they started the day. We got more sunshine in the afternoon. It's beautiful now. Our big stories that we're following today, I mean, it's nice out there now, but rain tomorrow evening and part of Saturday, which I think this is way overdone. And then we'll round off the weekend looking really good. And next week, actually, is the second story. It gets warm. We're talking low to mid 80s in Tampa, which means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week, spots inland will be pushing 90 degrees. And you're going to be complaining about the heat when you were complaining about the cold just last week. I get it. I am too. Grand Prix weather. So this is what we're really watching for. We've bumped up the rain chance for tomorrow evening, Friday evening to 50%. And then only 30% for the first half of Saturday. Stay with us because not all the models agree with this, but we think that's the better chance for rain. And then really only a 10%. I think we actually stay dry on Sunday. There's a live look right now. That's one of the turns. You can see the grandstands. You can also see, yeah, they got the big yachts out there for this event every year. It's beautiful now. We will need sunscreen, especially on Sunday if you're headed to the big race. So I know we talked about bringing ponchos in case it rains. I think the better chance for that's Friday night, okay? 74 degrees out there right now. The wind's out of the south at 11 miles per hour. Everybody generally in the mid to upper 70s right now. We still have 80 in Sebring, but just about everybody is below that. Brooksville's still at 78. That feels good. There's the rain that we're tracking, all right? This is what we'll get in here, at least part of this, as we get into tomorrow afternoon. So tonight, it's dry. We are falling down slowly through the 60s. This means fog. Whenever you see those lines like that, I do expect some patchy fog in the morning. It's not going to be terrible, but we will see a little bit of fog. Wake up temps, upper 50s inland, lower to mid 60s along the coast. That's about where the dew points are, and that's why we'll see a little bit of fog. Now, tomorrow, beautiful first half of the day, upper 70s, almost 80 in Tampa. Then we get our weather impact alert. Look at the rain chance starting to come back up as we get into this time tomorrow evening. All right? Look at the coverage for tomorrow, and then look at that for early morning on Saturday. I think that's just too much. If you notice the big model, that's what this is. Shows at 8 o'clock in the morning on Friday, we look good. Look at tomorrow afternoon, 4 o'clock. Lots of rain. Then you get into 6 a.m. on Saturday, rain mainly Tampa southward, and then we clear a little bit throughout the afternoon. Look at our local model. That one says 8 a.m. we're dry, same thing, but there we are, 1:30, 4 o'clock, there's St. Pete, and then you go through about 7 p.m. That, I think, will be our best rain chance. And then look at this. This is 10 p.m. Friday, a few showers left over. Saturday morning, 8 o'clock. And clearing? So big time difference in the models. One showing quite a bit of rain left over. I think this one's probably the better one, so we're going to be updating this forecast for you. And then beyond that, the other forecast question is just how warm does it get? All of next week, this is an easterly wind. It's not summertime, but we get that east wind. It's warm. We get clouds develop in the afternoon and isolated showers. We're giving it only a 10% chance by Wednesday and Thursday.